We do whatever we want to whomever we want at all times.
Hey guys, how's it going? We're gonna work on a battery again. Now we gotta work on the battery in the '54 Chevy. It starts, but it don't have that much cranking life, and I suspect that the battery cables are toast. So let's look at that. Yeah. Oh, the motorhome. That's another project. All right. Oh, out back here in the backyard. And on these trucks, the battery is in the floorboard. Oh my God. That looks like poop. All right. Well, where's that battery from? 1776. I suspect it needs a good cleaning and maybe a complete electrical system replacement. Bastards. Alright, what do we need? What do we need? We need oil. Big blast. Going big blast. Sweet. Oh, we probably need tools, but not right now. Good.
They're spying on us.
All right. Oh, Jesus.
Who's the J man?
You know, starts with a J, son of G, died and went to H, on the C.
Died on the sea. Commode. Commode. Elvis.
No.
It's Elvis.
Yeah, just go everywhere. Yes, it did say. Does say big blast on it. Big blast. Big blast. Big blast. Big blast area. Alright. Let's just entertain the idea that we might replace the cable itself. Alright. Somewhere in here is a starter. Yep, it's somewhere in there. We blasted the whole damn thing and the exhaust. I think we got it. I think we got it. All right. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Get the battery.
I did. No, I didn't get the battery. I'm gonna try to clean that. Oh, this thing was still going. I got my horrible reactions of fear on tape. Holy crap. My roommate scared the shit out of me, man. Whew. Walking up on me like a ninja. We sprayed her. She soaked some. Let's see if we can't get these. Let's see if we can't get these guys undone. What size does that look like? ½ inch? It looks like one. But what is it saying it is? Don't be metric.
It's not metric. Give it to me. You got a weapon on the side like this. You better start, you motherfucker. Stop!
How could you be metric? Oh no, it's just a tight fit and ½ inch. That doesn't feel great. Oh man. Oh God. Is it turning? No, the whole thing's turning. Yeah, this thing's just gonna break. Fudge. Yeah. Try to use it like a pry bar. Ugh, that's not working. Let's see if we have a tool for that. We have this, but I don't know what this is. Let's see if it'll pull a battery terminal. That, I doubt, is gonna help us. Yeah, now that's loose because we played with it, because we're fools. Oh, more tools. Maybe I got a tiny pry bar or something somewhere that'll do it. Let's try it. Pry bar, do your job. Oh, that's not doing nothing. Well, maybe it made it tighter. Phooey.
All right, that's it. That's it. I'm through. Forget it. The radiator split. The tranny shot. The wheels are melted. The crankshaft somehow found its way into the woofer in the back, and all the fluids are in the floorboard.
That's a job. For another day. Now let's put our tools away. Our useless tools.
I hope you can see this because I'm doing it as hard as I can.
Another mission unsuccessful. What can we do? How can we conquer? All right. Well, we didn't accomplish much. We sprayed the terminals down with a WD. And it looks like if I continue on this path, trying to loosen them, all the hardware is going to break and we're not going to have any battery cables at all. So, for the time being, we're going to leave it alone. Hope for the best. So, more details to come. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Help us. Help us.
I find that this is highly efficient and educationist for my brain because I'm smart, boy.
You tell me how this is going to help you get a high-powered six-figure job.
All right, guys. It's the, I guess it's the next day. So, let's keep playing with the Chevy. See if we can't get that battery situation figured out. Oh, man. We've got a bunch of stuff to take care of. The junkyard. Oh, it's getting junkier. We're gonna have to do something about that. Guard dog, how you doing? She's doing good. All right. Let's look at what we're working with here. Cool, it's still here. Oh, I did a little spit shine on here. This battery is from 1115, and it is well, it's 2024 now, so the old value power, that's a Walmart's cheapest no guarantee battery, has given us almost 10 years. So no complaints there. If we do have to work on it and I have to get it up on jack stands, well, we're not going to be able to get it safely on jack stands in this situation. Let's pull it up front. We got a little bit more level ground. Oh, I hope it fires up. Oh my God. What is going on? Oh. Pump like hell. Alright, let's pull some choke. Ignition. Somewhere around there. I don't hear nothing. Completely dead. Oh. Completely dead. Alright. Let's get the battery charger and charge it up. Hope for the best. See if we can't get this thing in running just long enough to get it on some level ground. To the battery charger. All right. Let's get the battery charger. All right. Oh, we made it. Come on. Yeah. Remember? Oh, that just... We were trying like hell the other day to get that off. Son of a... Alright. Change of plans. Let's see if we can clean that up. I can't believe that just came right off. Fudge. Let's just try to clean up the terminals. Let's get our vice grip, our locking pliers. Other brands are available. Let's get that on there. Let's see if we can't get this off. Come on, work with me. Oh, it's working. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. All right, let's see if we can't get that out of our way. All right, we'll get that propped up here. We'll use our hammer. Yeah, it's permanent. It's permanent. All right, we need a real hammer. All right, come on. Come on, work with me here. It's completely mutilating the terminal. Yep. Yeah, as you can see, it is it's nowhere near round anymore. Let's see if we can reverse the process. Not really. How bad did we mess this up? All right, let's see if we can fix that. Sweet. All right, we got some reverse pliers. Another kind of reverse pliers. I don't know, that's what I'm calling them. Then needle nose. Alright, let's just go with these. See if we get lucky. Oh, come on. It's not working. Come on. kind of working. Oh, come on, work. That is not working. I don't know. Let's see if maybe we can hammer that on into shape. It's a horrible plan. Might as well clean it while we're here, right? All right. Yep, that's clean. Oh, that's cleaner. That made it round. All right. I don't have much faith in this nut and bolt combination, but we're gonna try. Wait, before we do that, Christ almighty. All right, let's see if we can get that off again. Maybe I should clean the positive before I put that on. I can't get it off. We're right where we were yesterday. Oh. Come on. We're just not getting anything done, are we? All right. Got it off. Let's see if we can't work on our positive here. This looks totally messed up. Oh, don't round off. We need you. Oh, you were so messed up. Come on. No, it's spinning the whole thing. Let's see if we can't use our vice grips again. No. The answer is no. What? That's loose as hell. Well, we can just wiggle this bastard off. Come on. Well, we can. Oh, that terminal is complete turd. This one don't look too... I think we can work with this one. This one, if we just replace this end, we might be in good shape. Let's put this battery on charge, and I gotta run to the store and get some of these world's worst battery clamps. Cool. All right, we got a drill. We got two choices of wire brush. I'm thinking now. That's never a good thing. What the hell is wrong with that? Is it bent? If it's bent like a... Oh yeah, she's bent real bad. Holy cow. Well, maybe we can use that to our advantage. It kind of worked. Man, let's try the other one. Oh, I don't know if we can't go all the way around, but maybe we can. Holy cow. The terminal's gross looking. Alright. We'll come this far. Let's do the other side. And we got that one as best we could. Let's throw the charger on it. Come on, 9-year-old battery. You got one more. You got one more life cycle in you, don't you?
That is very extremely true.
Come on, don't be sparking. All right. Plug in our battery charger. 12 volt, 10 amp. And she's already off and running. Got her set to 10 amps. And she's pulling about 25. You're a good girl. All right. Hopes and dreams. Hopes and dreams. All right. Try to make this look less stealable. Nailed it. All right. Put our tools away. And we'll go get some new battery terminals. To Farm and Fleet. We went to Farm and Fleet. And we got, what did we get? We got our battery terminals. I had to get two because I believe this one is too small. I don't know if you can see it. I think that one's too small. That's 6-to-1 gauge. And I think this one's too big. And that's 4-to-double-aught. So, and the total was $666. That's, now we got the devil involved. All right. Nobody stole our battery charger. That's good. Out of the way. Yeah. Whoa, yeah, plenty of room to work in here. All right. I'm assuming all these wires are complete crap underneath, so let's just start fresh. Come on. Come on. Looks like we got some good copper. We'll strip that back and we'll see what we can do. Don't cut your thumb. Come on, don't cut yourself. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Got some good copper there. We got a wire brush. Give that a little polish. Come on. There we go. Alright, we're gonna go with the what looks like way too small. We're going to hope and pray that it just looks like it's too small, but it's actually the right size. Tighten those up. think that's gonna work. It seems like it's gonna work, which gives me hope. Tighten it up. All right. Whew. Terminal replaced. That one was not doing anybody any favors. Alright. Alright, let's kick it up. Alright, now at 10, you're drawing 10. Alright, now you're doing what you're supposed to. Alright. Oh man. Whew. Alright. Let's connect this battery. Alright, unplug the charger. Terminals are clean. Wiggle the battery so we can get this one on. Wow, that is as loose as they get. Are you with me? And it's tight. Oh man, I should have done the other. Should have did it the other way around. Now, without touching. Oh, that's gonna be the worst. Let me see if I can put something. Oh, a glove. Oh, I just know I'm gonna arc it out. That's why I should have did the opposite. Put the neutral on last. I kind of knew that, but here we are. Oh, that's tight. Feels good. All right, let's see if it works. Please. Some kind of... I hear a fan. A little bit of a choke. Let's get a voltage tester and see if it's charging. All right, grab our tester. I'll take it. Works for me. What is smoking? I said oil we sprayed on that starter. Oh, life is easy. Life is so much easier when you're holding a camera with one arm. Nailed it. That anymore. Let's add it to the junkyard pile. Nailed it. Yeah. Oh, what do we gotta do? We gotta lock this place up. Where the hell are my keys? Found them. All right. We don't need this anymore. I got this wrench in my pocket all day yesterday. Boop. It's getting spooky. Whoa, 100-pound door stopper, 50-pound door stopper. The rest of the lights. Yeah, nailed it. Good to go. The elusive, illustrious, elusive meatbag. What are you whining about? What do you want to do? You want to go on a ride? Right here, right now. This way, dummy. Get over here. God, why are you making it? Quit moving around. My aim is not that good. Come on. So close. Oh, jeez. You can make that easier. Yeah, I think we're good. All right, let's go. Move, meatbag. Let us hope for the best. Pump, 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 pump. All right, let's go. Oh, get your tail out of my face. Safe to say the battery works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, comment, whatever you want to do. I appreciate it. Alright, thanks guys.
Let us leave this primitive rock because there's nothing but cavemen here.
Yeah, goodbye, caveman.
Grace, chill out. I'm gonna do an elaborate part job. Oh, it's not gonna be that elaborate, is it? What do you think, girl? Did we do a good job? Did we do a good job?